What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for PayPal holdings with the ticker symbol PYPL. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So it looks like PayPal sold off pretty sharply after it found resistance from that $63 level. It sold off all the way to the $57.75, and we saw a nice recovery on Friday. So is this going to continue trending down back to the lows, or is this the bottom and we're going to see price continue to move up higher? Well, let's go over the chart. Let's look at the bullish signs and the bearish signs. Well, as of right now, it looks like there's a little bit more bullish signs I see on the chart, or you could even say it's about the same as the number of bearish signs. You can see that there was two legs up. This is one leg up right here. This is the second leg up. Most likely the reason for price finding resistance at the low to mid 60s right over here. And then price broke this green channel, sold off strongly towards the downside. So this was a break of the channel, but we could still see another leg down. This is all one leg right here. If price pulls back to the orange range at the 61.16, finds resistance, we can have another leg down, something like that. However, if price continues to rocket up higher, this may be the start of a second larger leg higher. This all possibly could be one leg, and this could be the second leg as right now. As right now, I don't have enough information to go off of. We have to wait and see what price does. All we did was see a drop down, and we saw a recovery. Well, is this recovery going to continue moving higher, or is it going to get rejected from the 61.37? Right now, it's hard to say. I don't have enough information on the chart. Price did come very close to this downward trend line right over here, so that could be doing something to the price action as well. So I'm not really sure. It looks like, the other stocks and even the SPY is ready to drop down lower as well. So maybe this is more likely to have another leg down like right over here versus just continuing to rocket up higher like I've drawn with this larger arrows. So again, I'm not entirely sure what's going to happen. Not really sure based on the chart. It's in a area of uncertainty. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. But price did find support from right back over here, which was previous support. You see that was the resistance that turned into support, so price did bounce from it. Some may argue that this is probably like some sort of inverse head and shoulders. We got a shoulder here, a head, and then another possible shoulder. Possibly, we'll have to wait and see. There was a large drop down, like I said before, so price can still make another leg down from that drop. So again, not entirely sure what's going to happen for PayPal. If I were to take a guess, there's a good chance we're probably just going to continue lower. I think, the market is still bearish. PayPal is still bearish long term because we're below the trend line and below a lot of resistance levels. In short term, we could see a bounce up, but again, I'm not expecting, the bull trend to continue just yet. So price may come back down to retest that 57.40 level as well. So again, not entirely sure for PayPal. Not every time you look at a chart, you're going to be, very confident on what's going to occur. So here is the weekly chart, and it shows that price is still trending down. It's still making lower lows, lower highs. You can see that if I adjust this downward trend line, it looks like price, came very close to it and got rejected from it. And we're seeing price close above the EMA, which is a bullish sign. So that could lead to another leg up. This is one leg right here. This is the second leg up. Or we could just find resistance and sell off. So again, not entirely sure. It's going to be a lot of uncertainty around this area right over here until we see a breakout towards the upside or a breakdown towards the bottom. So again, that's all I have for PayPal on the daily and weekly charts. Maybe next week, Tuesday, we'll have a better idea of what the price chart is telling us. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.